sins and grief to bear. What a privilege to carry everything to God in prayer. Oh, what peace we often forfeit. Oh, what needless pain we bear. Oh, because we do not carry everything to God in prayer. Have we trials and temptations? Is there trouble anywhere? We should never be discouraged. Take it to the Lord in prayer. Can we find a friend so faithful, who will our sorrow share? Jesus knows our every weakness. Take it to the Lord in prayer. Heavy laden, cumbered with a load of care. Precious Savior, still our refuge. Take me to the Lord in prayer. Do thy friends despise or say thee? Take thee to the Lord in prayer. In His arms He'll take and shield thee. Thou wilt find the solace there. Do thy friends despise, forsake thee? Take thee to the Lord in prayer. In His arms He'll take and shield thee. Thou wilt find the solace there. Thou wilt find the solace there.